In this video, we're highlighting the Inventronics latest EUR family of round LED drivers. The EUR family is the second generation LED driver for high bay lighting, which is more compact and a lighter weight than the previous generation. It can significantly optimize the cost of luminaire design and transportation. The EUR family is equipped with an isolated primary-secondary design, isolated dimming, and constant power at a wide output current range that can be adjusted to match different luminaires. To provide customers with design flexibility to meet various projects, the EUR family provides two separate series. The EUR SX is adjustable through a potentiometer, while the EUR DX can be programmed via software. The EUR SX is non-dimming, and the EUR DX provides dim to low voltage with standby power equal or less than 0.5 watts. Dim to low voltage is selectable but not included in the default factory version. It can be easily programmed through Inventronics software interface. As shown in this video, the first step is to read the configuration file. Currently, it shows 0 to 10 volt dimming mode and 4.2 amps max current. Click the On-Off Setup menu, switch the selection from Off to On, then click Write. After the program process is complete, the driver will be equipped with the dim to low voltage function. Go back to the home page and you see the status of On-Off is now on. The EUR family provides two power levels of standard products, 160 watts and 250 watts. They can cover 100 to 160 watt and 200 to 250 watt luminaires respectively. The wide power coverage attributes to the excellent design of PF, THD, and efficiency performance and helps customers reduce inventory SKUs. The EUR family is designed with an input voltage range of 90 to 305 VAC to support customers worldwide. They have passed safety certifications including ENEC, CE, CB, CCC, UL, FCC, Class P, and NOM. They provide reliable built-in surge protection of differential mode and common mode at 6 kV and meets the industrial high bay surge protection requirements in the international IEC standards and American ANSI standards. Based on the above design, the EUR family provides a worry-free 5-year warranty. With a history of innovation and commitment to be a market leader in LED drivers, Inventronics is driving the lighting revolution.